For our next adventure, we're going canoeing on the Bungay loop and we're going to see what we can find.
Cool.
Let's go to bed. Oh, your hand on the top.
Yeah.
Like that, and then you push down. Okay, when you pedal on the left, right, we turn right. When we pedal on the right, turn left. We're on the beautiful River Waveney, and we're going around this meander just into some wild woodland. And what animals we're hoping to see, Seb?
Otters, herons and kingfishers.
If we're really lucky, I'm really excited about the otters. River canoeing on the Waveney.
Adventure complete.